Interstate batteries are outrageously dependable.
My name is Frank Elizondo. I work for Wright Construction, and we've been a customer here at Interstate Batteries for over maybe 10 years. We love coming here. The service is great, and the best program that I like about this place is the battery recycling.
All the time, I come here a lot for batteries. Go to the counter, tell them what you need, you got it. They're gonna bring it to you. Flashlights, car batteries, batteries for your watch. That's why I'm here. I got 2 watches that need batteries, and they're fixing it for me right now.
Well, one of the reasons why I stop here too is the customer service. So if I have any questions on any type of battery that needs to go in any type of a product I have, they usually have the right answer and can get the battery for me and get it fit in there. And they've even had to order batteries special for me. So that's even another reason why I come here first.
I'd recommend Interstate Batteries to all my friends and family because it's a very good experience. They do excellent work, and you're in and out really quickly.